Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jamhuria's Homemade Food. Today I'm gonna make a very healthy cauliflower dish and I'm gonna serve it with a cup of brown rice. For this recipe I need 1 head of cauliflower, half a bunch of cilantro, 6 to 7 tomatoes, 2 onions, cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 4 to 5 garlics. First I'm going to cut the cauliflower in small pieces, then rinse it. And the easiest way to do it is put the cauliflower upside down, get rid of all the green leaves, then rinse the cauliflower, and after that cut it into small pieces. The cauliflower is ready. I'm gonna add about 8 to 9 tablespoons of oil in a medium pot and start caramelizing the cauliflower. Keep turning them around till you get this nice beautiful brown color, and then take them out and start the next batch. While the rest of my cauliflowers are caramelizing, I'm gonna cut the rest of my vegetables. I'm gonna crush the garlics and then chop the onions in small pieces and chop the tomatoes in small pieces. This cauliflower recipe is very easy to make at home. It is the best vegetarian and vegan dish. All my cauliflowers are caramelized. They look delicious. I'm going to use the same pot to make the sauce for cauliflower. I'm adding 8 to 9 tablespoons of olive oil into the pot. On top of that, add the chopped onions. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the onion is caramelized. Now I'm adding half a tablespoon of salt on top of the onion and then cook this about another minute. Now I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix it around and cook this about a minute. Then add half a teaspoon of black pepper. After that, add all the chopped tomatoes on top and cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add all the chopped garlics on top of that. The tomato sauce is ready. Now I'm gonna put all the caramelized cauliflowers on top of the tomato sauce that I made. Add about half a cup of water and then cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. Put the lid on and let it simmer for 7 minutes. The cauliflower is done. Now I'm gonna plate it. I made some brown rice. I'm gonna serve the cauliflower with a cup of brown rice. So add a cup of brown rice on the side of your plate and then add cauliflower next to it. This cauliflower dish is very easy to make, the best vegetarian dish and the best vegan dish. It's easy to make. I'm gonna garnish my plate with a little bit chopped cilantro. This delicious vegetarian and vegan dish is ready. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. Have a great day.